When you break down or need help fast, there's AAA and there's Auto Vantage. Let's see who has the advantage. AAA Plus covers you for up to a 100-mile radius. So for a 150-mile tow, it could cost you up to $200 out of pocket. With Auto Vantage, you're covered up to 150 miles at no additional charge. Advantage, Auto Vantage. With Auto Vantage Locate Me technology, we'll find you with GPS accuracy by leveraging all the largest cellular carriers in America and provide you with professional roadside assistance. With AAA, they can find you with GPS, but only if you're calling with certain carriers. Or you can call, explain the intersection where you broke down, and hope you described your location correctly. Advantage, Auto Vantage. Auto Vantage provides lockout assistance of not just your car, but your home as well, which could cost you $50 or more each time. Plus, you'll get access to our certified mechanics hotline for repair advice and to tell you what real service costs should be. So if you're considering renewing or joining AAA, stop and take advantage of our limited time Silver Anniversary Savings event. Just call or log on to AutoVantage.com and see our head-to-head comparison and why it makes sense to switch today. Like hundreds of other benefits and discounts we offer at more than 20,000 Auto Vantage certified service centers, hotels, and car rentals. Now get ready for the best part. For a family of 4 drivers, AAA Plus could cost you $139 or more per year. Auto Vantage, $59.99. We cover you and every member of your immediate family at no additional charge, whether they're home or away. That's just the right thing to do. Advantage, Auto Vantage. So call or click now. And don't forget to ask your operator about the GoGo Pillow, the perfect multifunction travel pillow at an exclusive never-seen-before offer. So call or log on to AutoVantage.com now.